Hi there, and welcome to the very first episode of Mr. Fred's Tech Talks. This is the official podcast of GetMeCoding.com, where I make learning to code, explore technology, and build confidence fun and approachable for kids, parents, and teachers. I'm your host, Mr. Fred, a dad and husband, college professor, a former U.S. Marine officer, a lifelong tech tinkerer, and the creator of GetMeCoding.com. And I'm here to help you and your kids get comfortable with the tools that power our world. So let's get going.
Talking about gadgets, games, and gears. AI buzzing in your ears. Parents, teachers, kids unite. We're learning tech and doing it right. Oh, it's a tap, swipe, scroll kind of show where zeros and ones are ready to go. From old school DOS to robots that talk, we're jamming with Mr. Fred's Tech Talks.
We are go for launch.
And launch we will. So what exactly is this podcast about? That's a great question. Over the past decade, I've been teaching young people, their parents, and teachers how to code, build cool stuff, and even explore some big ideas like AI, artificial intelligence. And I realized something. We need a place where we could talk about tech without the jargon, fear, or frustration. It does get overwhelming sometimes, doesn't it? Every episode I bring to you, I'm going to break down tech topics like coding languages, artificial intelligence, stuff about the web, but I break it down into everyday language. And I'm going to share some tips and tools for families and the classrooms. I help you grow your tech confidence one episode at a time. Whether you're a parent trying to understand what your kid means when they say, I want to build a Minecraft mod, a teacher exploring STEM in the classroom, or a young tech explorer, you're in the right place. So why this podcast? Why start a podcast now? I love podcasts. I've been listening to them for quite a long time. I want to give a quick shout out to my mentor and friend Lou Mangello and his podcast, wdwradio.com. And I want to say thanks for getting me on this path. But going back to the podcasts, there are a lot of them out there. There's a lot of noise out there though, and tech is changing fast, maybe too fast. And I want to help people, especially families, slow down and make some sense of this. I'm going to explore, how you can start coding at home or in the class. I'm going to discuss some of the cool project ideas I have for kids and, oh, by the way, adults. What tools are out there and what are worth your time to kind of start to learn. I will definitely be weaving in artificial intelligence, trying to fit it into where we're discussing topics and also kind of talk about what's just hype. But I want to build a positive, curious mindset when working with technology. And I promise, I will never talk over your head. This is not a podcast for the tech bros out there. It's a place to start, grow, learn, and tinker together. All right, so I said that I would give you a tech tip of the day. Let's start off with the first one right here. Start small and stay consistent. If you or your child is learning to code, don't feel like you need to learn everything in a weekend. Pick one small project. Maybe it's building a simple game. Maybe it's changing some colors to the background of a website. These little wins add up, and over time, confidence will grow and your knowledge will definitely start to grow. Okay. That's it. Thanks for tuning in to this kickoff episode. But I want you to stay connected, so if you really like this, make sure you do share it out. Visit getmecoding.com and check out the resources I have out there. There's some free projects, lessons, and so on. Be sure to go over to YouTube and subscribe to the channel. Sign up for the email list, and we'll be staying in touch that way. But once again, if you really like what you heard today, share this with a friend who might need it. This is just the beginning, and I'm really glad you're here.
Do or do not. There is no try.